Today I have an accessory mount from Rockslide Engineering. I'm pretty excited about this one, so stick around for the installation. Welcome back to another video. My name is Joey from MissionCustom, and in front of me I have the Easy Rack by Rockslide Engineering. This is a spare tire accessory mount that mounts right on the spare tire of the Jeep. It's designed to hold up to a 2.5 gallon Rotopax, so I have two of them here, one for water, one for gas. This isn't going to be a super hard installation. All it is a ratchet strap and two metal brackets that are going to hold these in place. One thing that you are going to have to purchase separately is the Rotopax mount that actually mounts the Rotopax to the Easy Rack. Now I decided to go with these cheaper Rotopax mounts. These were on Amazon for about $35, so they are a little bit cheaper than the Rotopax mounts themselves. From what I can tell, this is pretty good quality. You can tell it is the off-brand version, but you know, for 10 bucks cheaper, why not get these ones? So in the box, like I said, you're gonna get two of these brackets. These are curved to sit right on top of the tire here. And then it is also going to come with a heavy-duty ratchet strap. This is going to wrap around the spare tire, and it's going to also go through the bracket here to hold it in place. So before I get the Easy Rack situated on the spare tire, the first thing I'm going to do is actually mount the Rotopax mount to the Easy Rack bracket. The Rotopax mount did come with a base plate. I'm not going to be using that for this installation, because the Rotopax mount mounts on top of the Easy Rack bracket without a base plate. All I'm going to be using are two flathead screws with washers, and they should line up with the two screw holes on the bottom of the Rotopax mount. Once I have the bolts hand tightened down on the bracket, I'm going to use a 14mm wrench to tighten them down completely. Once you get the Rotopax situated on the Easy Rack, you're going to tighten down the mount until it locks into place. And you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, but there is a little bump here. The mount should line up with the bumps that are on the Rotopax, and then once those are lined up, use the top one here to tighten it down. A couple more clicks just to make sure that this is nice and snug. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the second bracket. So I didn't know this before, but I guess it would have been a little easier to mount the Easy Rack on the spare tire without the Rotopax on there. I guess you could do it either way. It depends on where you want them. It's easier for me to see where exactly I want the Rotopax to mount on the Jeep. Also, if you are going to be adjusting the strap along the brackets, it is going to be a little hard to maneuver, so you just kind of have to feed it in and out of the slots until you get it exactly where you want it, and then you'll be able to get it mounted on the tire. So once we get the Easy Rack situated where we want it on the spare tire, we can go ahead and grab the ratchet strap at the bottom here. Now I already started feeding it through here, So all I'm going to do is get rid of some of that slack, but not too much. And then I can go ahead and start tightening the ratchet strap. Now once we have the ratchet strap tightened down around the spare tire, go ahead and give it a little pull. This should be pretty tight and snug up against the spare tire so that these don't go sliding anywhere when you're out on the highway or just driving around in general. So towards the end, give it a couple cranks to make sure it's really nice and tight. I have quite a bit of extra strap left over, and I don't want this to be dangling off the back when I'm driving down the road. So what I'm going to do is just kind of roll it up nice and neat and then tuck it back under the spare tire through the ratchet strap. So there you have it. Once again, this was a super easy installation, but definitely love the look of these on the spare tire. One of my favorite parts about the Easy Rack is that you can adjust these however you want. So you can have the Rotopax on the side of the tire or on the top of the tire. You can basically configure them wherever you want. I do plan on using these a lot when I go off-roading out west. Especially when I go back to school in the fall. You know, if you're going off-roading or long trail rides, it's especially useful to carry at least an extra gas can and an extra water can. Well, that's all I have for the installation of the Easy Rack by Rockslide Engineering. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. Otherwise, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow us on Facebook at MissionCustom Jeep Upgrades, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.